CompTIA Tech Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.2, Identify Notational Systems. Decimal. Let's kick off this exam objective by looking at a number system you already know very well, even if you didn't know what it was called. It's called the decimal notational system, and it's the one we use every single day without thinking about it. The decimal system is a number system that has 10 possible digits for each place value. These digits are 0 through 9. If the word decimal sounds too technical, just remember, this is the same system you learned when you first started counting fingers and toes. Whether you're setting an alarm for 7 a.m., entering a 4-digit PIN, or checking the battery level on your phone, you're likely using decimal. Now let's look at how it works. In decimal, each place value increases by a factor of 10 as you move left. So the digit in the tens place is worth 10 times more than the digit in the ones place. Move one more to the left, and you're looking at hundreds, then thousands, and so on. This structure, based on multiplying by 10, is what gives decimal its power and consistency. And just in case you're curious, the prefix DEC in the word decimal means 10. You've seen it before in words like decade or decathlon. It tells us that this number system is built on 10 unique symbols, 0 through 9. Now, while computers don't use decimal internally, this system is still incredibly important in the world of IT, because it's designed for us, the human user. Binary might be the computer's native language, but it's not very readable. That's why programs often convert and display binary values in decimal form. It's easier to interpret, easier to communicate, and far less intimidating to work with when you're troubleshooting, configuring a device, or just reading a log file. So even though decimal isn't the language computers speak behind the scenes, it's still essential. It acts as a bridge between the digital world and the human world, helping us interact with technology in a way that feels natural and intuitive. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.